returner. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little tips and tricks that I'm going to try and get out every time I make a new concoction of things. So this week it is Thursday, it is laundry day, so we always do our sheets every single Thursday. And I'm going to show you how I make a mattress spray. So it is a bed bug deterrent. It keeps it smelling fresh. It's super easy. I will link where I get all of this stuff from. I will link some of the oils that might be a cheaper option as well. I know Young Living is a little daunting with some of the prices, but I do have some oils here that aren't from there that work just the same. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I make it and how easy it is. So first we're going to start with our witch hazel. It's a face toner, but you can also use it for many other things. So you're just gonna use this. I don't actually measure any of it. I kind of just wing it. So it says to just use part this and part water, and then you're gonna mix up your oils in there. So I use about a little bit here to just fill the bottom. So this little line here I use of witch hazel. And then it's 8 drops of eucalyptus. And if you do drop in more, it is okay. More the better. And then it is 8 drops of lavender. And then finally, it is 8 drops of peppermint oil. And then you just fill the rest up with distilled water, which is just filtered water, and I have some of that ready here. You just pour this in there. And I will be making a mess everywhere. Just fill up the remainder of it with water. And I'll go to about midway. I don't ever really fill up the entire thing, because then you're gonna shake it up. And I get all of these little things off of Amazon, which are super easy. Shake it up, and that is your mattress spray. You can also use it on your pillows. Thanks so much for watching. If you aren't a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and comment what other videos you'd like to see. See you next time. Oh, am I starting?
Yeah.
What am I saying?